Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Kevin Daniel Peña Diaz, del curso de 2 y vengo a hacer la recuperación final de inglés empresarial. Who brings a cover letter? Bring the presentation and what you want to say. What is the most famous social network in the world? Facebook. What is the second world power? China. Why do the products have IVA? Products have VAT thanks to the fact that in a country certain taxes have to be. What is the geographical location of Russia? It Eurasia. The most recognized car brand is in Italy is Ferrari. What is the creator of Windows operating systems? Bill Gates. What is the country with the highest human population? He is China. Type of consumers who buys excessively. Impulsive consumer. What is the most recognized automobile brand in Colombia? Kia. Type of consumers who expresses emotion when buying products. Emotional consumers. What country is Apple's company from? United States of America. Words which are used when writing a cover letter. The greeting and the introduction. What general does a cover letter look like when you write it? The works data and for whom it goes directly including the greeting. What is the most managed currency in the world? The dollar. What is the most recognized brand of aircraft in the world? Boeing and Airbus. What is the owned brand of motorcycles in Colombia? Acate. What is the country with the most budget in the world? United States. Where in the world is the euro handled? Various parts of Europe. What currency is paid in Japan? The yen. Esa fue mi recuperación de inglés empresarial. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.